Have you ever heard about galactic silence? According to all the calculations and theories, we are not alone in the universe. We cannot be alone in the universe. Well, the universe is so huge, let's say it's galactic, and we are so far, our Earth is so far from the center of galactic that it's not strange that we haven't seen any aliens or they never notice us. But it's last 70 years we're sending signals, radio signals, in order that someone will catch those signals and answer back. And we're trying to monitoring the space in order to get those signals, but we still fail. We didn't receive any signal, and there are a lot of theories. One of the theories says we are the first civilization in the universe. Another theory says that actually those aliens are so developed that they watch us just like we watch animals in the zoo. Well, the third theory says that they actually control, and people like Mark Zuckerberg are reptiles that control the Earth. Well, there are a bunch of stupid, smart and fantastic theories. Well, I have another theory. Just imagine in 40 years we create super fast spaceship and decide to go to discover the universe, and at some moment we've been stopped by space police who will ask us for a visa. The process of getting visa is so unpleasant, humiliating and meaningless process. You need to provide the embassy with so many documents, plus you need to prove that you are not poor, that you love your family, that you will come back after a business trip. Why didn't you buy the return ticket? Why do you want to come back from another city? What do you plan to do in meantime? So many things that you lose your wish to go to discover another country even before you even started. Plus, there are some rules that you need to provide the plane tickets, and they not promise they will give you the visa. Just imagine, you need to book hotel, you need to book your flight, and most airline companies, they keep your booking 1 day and maximum 3 days, while answer from visa department can last 2 or 3 weeks. They ask document that says how much you earn money on your workplace. Well, in a lot of non-developed countries, the salary on the paper and real salary that the person gets can be different. Well, there are a bunch of reasons why people have to do that. I don't justify them. We all should follow the laws. Doesn't matter what country we live in. But let's say they have to do that because of the corrupted system in that country. The paradox is that developed Western countries, they ask so many documents to grant the visa from the citizen of non-developed countries where nothing is transparent, and it's so easy to get fake legal document. What I mean fake legal document is some document that is not true but is legal. A few years ago, a friend of mine tried to be honest with one of developed countries' embassy and provide all required documents, and also he said he was in the prison because of his political views. Well, in a lot of states that's not something rare. And guess what? They didn't give him a visa. Well, next time when he applied for a visa to the same country, he didn't say he was in prison, and guess what? They gave him a visa. And a lot of people provide embassies with fake documents and get visa, while those of us who try to be honest, a lot of times we get rejected. Well, it's been 7 years that I live abroad, and every year I face the same problems, starting with trying to justify that I really can do this job, so they will give me work permit, and according to that they will give me leave permit, and it repeats every time. Every time you provide them with the same documents, you provide them with the documents that you don't have any problem in your country, so you clear, then you need to provide that you really graduate university, translate it to that language, trying to justify it, trying to prove someone that I really did something and I really can do that. This is so hard and exhausting. I really wish there will be one day when we will be able to travel wherever we want, whenever we want, with whom we want. So there will be no countries and the world will be as one. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.